Talking about first value, courage. So courage is one of the value as per the Scrum guide, which says that every team member in Scrum should have the courage to do the right things and should be able to work on tough problems. So you need not to be always supportive of each other, but then if you say and if you find that anything which is not correct, you should be able to raise it immediately, and you should be able to take tough decisions and should be able to work on those tough problems. So second, Scrum value, openness. So Scrum value of openness states that your Scrum team and stakeholders needs to be open about the work and the kind of challenges which they face. So the third value, commitment, basically says your team member should be committed to achieving the kind of goals and support each other during the whole journey as part of the Scrum. And the fourth value, focus. Focus is basically aimed for working on a sprint to make the best possible progress towards the goal. So, whenever you are working on the sprint, your focus should be how you can deliver the best possible results and progress towards those goals. The last value, respect. So, respect as a Scrum value states that all team members should respect each other. They should be capable people, and there are capable people within Scrum team. So, we should respect each of them. Having said that, people might have different opinion. People might be having a different level of capabilities and independence, but then we should respect their thought process and should work with them to ensure the Scrum get delivered. So these are the 5 values of courage, openness, commitment, focus, and respect. And these 5 values, as depicted, helps to deliver the Scrum in a most effective manner. So, Module 1, Agile and Scrum Fundamental, the Scrum team. So, we will talk and discuss in detail about the various roles which are there in the Scrum team. So, the Scrum team, product owner, developers, and Scrum Master, these are the 3 main roles which are there in the Scrum team. So, Scrum team basically is a very flat team with no hierarchy being there. So, product owner, Scrum Master, and developers, they work together to deliver the Scrum. So, the overall team comprises of not more than 10 people. So, there are less than 10 or fewer people with no sub teams and no hierarchy as part of the Scrum team. So it is a flat team. So they are responsible for carrying out all the product related activities, starting from stakeholder collaboration to the requirement gathering to the verification or to ensure any kind of coordination required for maintenance or operation or doing any kind of experimentation, research or development. All these product related activities and tasks are carried out by the Scrum team. The entire team, as we call, is accountable for creating a valuable and useful increment every sprint. So, in every sprint, as part of the sprint, the teams should be able to create a valuable increment which can be potentially shippable and can be used by the customer. So, these are the 3 main roles which are there in the Scrum: product owner, developer, and the Scrum Master. If you further want to read everything in detail, you can click on this scrumguides.org to get more details. So, accountability of these roles. The first role, product owner. So product owner basically ensures to maximize the value of the product resulting from the work delivered by the Scrum team. So he is accountable for having an effective product backlog management. So product backlog item is the responsibility, managing the product backlog item is the responsibility of a product owner. So he works along with the development team to ensure the product backlog are there in a right way and in a ordered fashion.